If you need to reset two-factor authentication on Apple Pay, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. This guide will help you navigate through the necessary actions. Step 1. Access Apple ID settings. Go to your device's Settings app and tap on your name at the top of the screen. This will take you to your Apple ID settings where you can manage your account. Step 2. Navigate to Password and Security. In Apple ID settings, find and select the Password and Security option. This section contains all of the security settings related to your Apple ID, including two-factor authentication. Step 3. Turn off two-factor authentication. If you want to reset it, you may need to turn off two-factor authentication first. Look for the option to disable it and follow the prompts. Note that this may not be available if you have recently enabled it. Step 4. Re-enable two-factor authentication. Once two-factor authentication is turned off, you can re-enable it. Go back to the Password and Security section and select the option to turn on two-factor authentication. Follow the instructions to set it up again. Step 5. Verify your trusted devices. After re-enabling two-factor authentication, ensure that your trusted devices are correctly set up. You may need to verify your phone number and check that all devices linked to your Apple ID are receiving the verification codes. By following these steps, you can successfully reset two-factor authentication on Apple Pay. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.